Hello everyone, Kritika here. In this video, we are going to see keywords and identifiers. Let's move on. Keywords are reserved words in Python. Each keyword is designated with a special meaning. The meaning of these keywords is fixed and it cannot be modified or removed. There are totally 33 keywords and these counting varies depending on the versions what we use. Looking at all the keywords at once and trying to figure out what they mean might be overwhelming. So, let us see the overview of all these keywords one by one. All the keywords except true, false and none are in lowercase. True and false are truth values which are the results of comparison and logical operations, whereas none is a special constant used to define the null value. Next keywords and or not. These are the logical operators in Python. Break and continue. These keywords are used inside for and while loop to alter their behavior. The keywords if, else, elif are used to define in conditional statements. Except, try, raise are used to handle exceptions. From is the keyword which is used to import the specific function or attribute in current Python script, whereas import is used to import modules in the current Python script. As keyword is used to create alias and assert is used as debugging tool. In keyword is used to check if a value is present in the list and tuple. Is used to check if two variables refers the same object. Class represents the class in the Python. Def to declare the function and del to delete the reference of the object. For, while, both the keywords are used for iteration. Lambda is used to create the anonymous function and pass is used to execute nothing or create a placeholder for future. The keywords finally and with, these are used with exceptions. Return keyword is used to return value to the called function, whereas yield is used with Python generators. Global and non-local. Global keyword is used to create global variable inside the function and non-local keyword is used similar to global and it is wrote inside nested function. Now let us see a simple program to see the available keywords in the Python specific version. In the slide we have seen that number of keywords in Python is 33. As I said, this counting varies depending on the versions what we use. Now let us see a simple program to know the list of keywords in Python. Don't worry about the stuff behind the coding. Time being, know what is the coding to know the keywords list in Python. For that, let me create a new Python file. Select the project, select new, followed by Python file and name your Python file. So I am giving the file name as keyword prg. Click OK. This opens a new file. Here type this coding. Import keyword. Then it is print. I am pressing enter. Keyword dot kw list. Okay. So this is the coding to know the list of keywords in Python. You can type this in whatever environment you are working with. After typing the coding, you have to execute this program. See in the left side, two file is being opened. Now you want to execute your keyword program.python file only. So select this file, right click and then run. In the bottom, you can see the list of keywords in this PyCharm. It is false, none, true and likewise it is all given here. The next topic is identifiers. Let's move on to PPT. An identifier is a name given to entities like variables, class, functions to differentiate from one another. Certain rules are to be followed while naming these identifiers. I refer the following web link where I have posted the variables for C. Here I have given the do's and don'ts while naming the variables. The same thing is applicable to identifiers in Python also. So kindly refer this link to know the naming rules for identifiers. Thank you.